Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to fix Wi-Fi calling not working on your iPhone 15. So guys, if you are using iPhone 15 and you are facing an issue that your Wi-Fi calling is not working properly, so guys, don't worry, in this video I'm going to tell you how to fix this issue. So guys, first is first, you have to do is simply check your Wi-Fi connection. Indicate that your iPhone 15 is connecting to a stable Wi-Fi network. You can do this by going to your control center, and from here you can check your Wi-Fi. If this doesn't work, then you have to do is make sure that you have enabled Wi-Fi callings on your iPhone. You can turn it on your phone app. If this also doesn't work, then you have to do is update your iOS version. Ensure that your iOS is up to date. Software update often include bug fixes, and if there is a glitch causing the Wi-Fi calling issue, an update might resolve it. To do this, you have to open your settings, tap on your general, tap on software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone 15. If there is update like this, then simply you have to do is update your iPhone 15 to its latest version. Now I have to do is simply tap on update now and update my iPhone now, or I can simply tap on update tonight. So guys, if this doesn't work, then you have to do is check your restriction option. You have to go to your screen time, scroll down and go to content or privacy restriction, and if you have enabled the content and privacy restriction option, you have to do is disable it. This can cause the issue. So guys, if then after this, then you have to do is restart your iPhone. Classic move but effective. Give your iPhone 15 a restart to refresh its settings. To do this, you have to open your general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. So guys, after trying this all solution and you're still facing the Wi-Fi calling issue on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max, then I will suggest you to do reset network settings. This will reset Wi-Fi password and settings. Sometimes network related issues can affect your Wi-Fi calling. So you have to do is simply open your settings, tap on your general, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.